Welcome back to Financial Pro, everyone. Thank you for being here. All my podcast listeners, Instagram, Facebook, thank you for being here. Please subscribe, comment below. Today I want to talk about Nas and Coinbase. So the reason I'm talking like this is because I have Invisalign now. So my teeth is going to be A-okay in about 2 years. But Coinbase, okay. I have been investing in stocks and cryptocurrency for years. I missed out, not going to lie, when Bitcoin first came out and Ethereum. I wrote a book about both of these coins. I knew when Ethereum was I remember when Ethereum was under $100 and I missed out. I missed out, man. I'm not going to lie. I'm not missing out on Dogecoin Wave. I will have a video on that as well. But I want to talk about Nas, Kevin Durant, who benefited from Coinbase going live. Live is what I'm talking about when they go to the stock market as an IPO and they go live for investors, IPO wise. So it is said that Nas might have between 40 and 100 million from that investment. And we know that Kevin Durant might have at least 20 and 40 million between that number. We don't know for sure. But this is what Forbes and all these other websites are saying, that they came out on top from their initial investment. A lot of people are saying that you have to be an accredited investor to have these type of numbers come in. And I'm going to say that might be true, because an accredited investor, you have to have at least 200,000 plus for a few years to come in, as to be recognized as accredited. But it says that, can I invest without being an accredited investor? You can invest without being an accredited investor through crowdfunding platforms. And I'm going to get to that in a minute. Let me go back to Nas for a second in this article. So Coinbase IPO per share was 300 something dollars. At first they thought it was going to be like 100 something. No, it's saying 415 that reached it. It went down a little bit, I believe, the same day. But there's no way. See, that's when the first people missed out. That's when and I'm not giving financial advice. Please read the description of the videos. This is just my humble opinion. You do not invest when it's $400 per share at all. You've already missed the wave, to be honest with you. The wave was investing before they went public. Just like I am waiting on Starlink. If we can get in on that before it goes public, Elon Musk Starlink, we will. Oh my God, I can't wait for that to go public. That's all I'm going to say. So let's see. Nas from Queensbridge invested in Coinbase, cryptocurrency platform that holds the wallet for all these cryptocurrencies. I heard that they will have Dogecoin soon, guys. So Coinbase other investors include top tier Horowitz, I'm probably butchered his name, Kevin Durant, such and such. Jones Venture Capital portfolio expands beyond just Coinbase. So they just made an article saying that Nas invested in it. He got so much back from his investment. But I want to take us deep inside of accredited, non-accredited. So the top crowdfunding websites are, number one is Kickstarter, Indiegogo. You have nonprofits like Causes. You have Patreon. You have GoFundMe, which we've already heard about, Lending Club, and Circle Up. Those are like the top 7. I know for sure about Kickstarter because I have crowdfunding on that I've invested in with companies like AI Technology, sort of say with the robot that's the hamburger flipping robot, the French fries flipping robot. They got these robots inside of White Castle now. A lot of these robots are in White Castle, flipping fries and flipping hamburgers and stuff like that. So you guys looking at on Kickstarter. I love Kickstarter. I just go on there and look around and see what I can invest in, to be honest with you. And if I really like it, like the AI technology, you want to look at different other technologies. They got all kind of stuff on Kickstarter, man. Just all kind of things you can look at. Uh, Platforms that people are trying to get funding for. So if you guys have you invested in Kickstarter programs or GoFundMe, do you have a Kickstarter yourself? Please comment below, subscribe. I'll see you next time on Financier Pro YouTube channel.